So let's hit that reset button, get back on track with your exercise, and we're going to do a 7-minute weight loss exercise at home. So all this is standing, no equipment, and as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, this is going to get you the best results. This is all about our health, taking control. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's a preview of the first move. We're going to do 4 of these half stars with then 4 power marches. So nice and easy. So let's get ready. Let's start with 4 power marches and now take it to those 4 half stars and just keep repeating that sequence. We're going to do this for a duration of 50 seconds. And you can see on the left that arrow that represents how long we've got to go on each exercise. So this one here, a lovely warm up as well. And we're using lots of muscle groups. That's how all these exercises today are going to be really good fat burning moves. And the most important thing when it comes to your weight loss journey is consistency. That equals results. And this is where these workouts of mine are great. 7 minutes, 10 minutes, these quick little workouts, you can do them every single day. And being consistent is how we achieve that healthy weight loss. All right, well done. And we are now complete on exercise 1. So you just march it out. Let me show you the next move. We're going to do this step back and full arm circle swing. So get ready, and we're just going to take that foot behind and then just swing double arms up and over. If you find the arms too hard to start with, just focus on the lower body move, then add in the arms when you're ready. And again, on this exercise, you've got that duration, 50 seconds. You can see on the arrow how long you've got to go. And if you're not already, definitely subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notification, because that means every time I upload a video, you get a little alert so you can keep on track on your health and weight loss goals. All right, that's good. So it's that full arm swing, tap that foot behind, doing really well. Just 7 moves today, and reach it up and over. And let's just march it out. So let's have a look at your next move. This one, we're going to be in a split stance, and we're just going to drive the knee up, and we're just going to really feel that through your core. So just drive your knee up. If you struggle a bit with balance, then you can place a hand on a wall or a chair just to really help for stabilization. So just drive that leg up, and this is going to really help just really fire up those legs. So we're increasing your active muscle tissue, and the more toned those muscles are, let's just change legs, take that to the other side, then the more calories we're burning. So we're just driving that knee up. And here again, it's a total body move. You're using your arms, you're engaging your core, working your legs. That's how we're really using this as a fat burning move. All right, last little bit, keeping that going. And just march out. You take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's have a look at the next move. Now this one, we're going to have fun. We're just going to step to a corner of the room and open those arms out wide and take that leg behind. Really lovely move. Just have a little bit of fun with this. Open those arms wide and step from side to side. So again here, we're working multiple muscle groups, and that's how we're then going to be really increasing your calorie burn. And really focus on lifting that leg nice and high behind. And as your qualified trainer, I always like to come up with new moves for you. Keep the workouts fun and interesting, because our health journey can be fun. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. It's not about burpees, doesn't always have to be high impact. As long as we're working lots of muscles all at once, that's how we get those results. All right, nearly done on that move. And again, well done. March out, and we'll just have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, we're going to have fun. We're just going to alternate taking one foot from side to side, and imagine you're just pushing something down into the ground, and just keep going. So stay nice and low. And this one, you'll instantly feel this working through your inner thighs, outer thighs, working your glutes. And again here, it's a multi-compound move. So again, it's another really good calorie burning move. So this is great as a weight loss exercise. And if you are on Facebook, then do come and find me, because I do daily motivational posts. I do everything from workouts, tips, nutrition. I do lives. So do come and find me. It's Lucy's Squad on Facebook. We've got a group and a page. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going side to side, doing really well. Last little bit till that arrow reaches the top, and just march it out. All right, so we've got 2 moves left to go. Let's have a look at your next move. Doing really well. We're just going to do these deep side steps and just take the arms up. Just imagine we're pulling something down from the ceiling, and just keep going. So it's this lovely lateral step side to side, and you can make this as hard as you want. The deeper you bend, the harder you're working, and also you can really increase the pace. Good, doing really well. And then at the end of the workout, we're going to take a quick little march and have a little water break. You can hit pause if you need longer, and then we'll do a lovely full body stretch. So let's just keep going side to side. Pull those arms down. So this is really strengthening through your lower body as well as working through your arms. And just while you're doing this, just take a moment right now to just be really proud that you are exercising and taking control of your future health. Right, let's have a look at your final move. We're going to have fun. Let's do this. We do 3 power punches and 3 knee drives. So let's get ready. Give me 3 of those power punches, 3 knee drives. Now for this one, this is our last little bit of training today. Just do these as fast as you can, and you are really going to feel this working. Your body is getting fitter and stronger. So let's just keep going. It's a really fabulous move. I have to say this is actually one of my favorite moves. I do this every single day. This one, power punches and then a knee drive. And this is just a really good full body move. All right, so we're burning calories, we're getting fitter, we're getting stronger. Last little bit. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. We're going to complete these full 7 minutes. So last little bit on here, and just give me those power punches, knee drive, and just really important, you don't just stop straight away. Just march it out for me. Let's just reduce your heart rate. Really important, we don't just stop. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take a quick little water break. So if you need to, press pause, grab some water. This is part of your healthy lifestyle, having that water. So now we're going to focus on doing your quick full body stretch. So just follow along. We're going to step 1 foot behind. Just feel that through the calf muscle, the back of the lower leg, and just really lean into that stretch. Make sure those toes are pointing forwards, and definitely follow along for daily motivation. You can find that, as I said, on my Facebook. Also come and find me if you're on Instagram as well. Now we're going to just take that to the opposite leg, step it behind, just feel that through the back of the lower leg, through the calf muscle. Again, toes pointing forwards. And the point of a stretch, it helps, first of all, prevent any injury, prevent soreness, but it's also really good for your flexibility and for your posture. So let's now take that to the opposite leg, and we're just going to feel that through the hamstring now. Extend those toes up, hands are on the bent leg, and just feel that through the back of the upper thigh, through your hamstring. And definitely in the comments down below, let me know if you've enjoyed this, more workouts that you want, and just take that to the other leg now. And also, as your qualified online trainer, let me know how you are getting on your health journey. All right, so we're going to come up to standing now, use the wall for balance. Let's go for doing that quadricep stretch. Feel that through the front of your thigh. Make sure that supporting leg's slightly bent for me. And then just take that to the opposite leg, and again just feel that through the front of the thigh. And remember, this workout, you can do this daily because it's no jumping, no weight, so it's safe on your body. Let's feel that stretch through the top of your upper back, arms in front, then take those arms behind, just feel that through your chest. And well done. And let's go for a quick tricep stretch. Just ease that arm down, feel that through the back of your upper arm. and then take that to the other side. Again, just feel that stretch through the back of your upper arm. So well done. There is your high five. And you remember what you and I have just done at home today is we have just both invested in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.